actually remembered to put the timer to the heater on this Friday. So it's Monday morning and it's warm and toasty inside and dark. Yeah, welcome. It's Monday morning and I have another standard job booked for now. We do this once a year for Lundasmide, and it's a little bit precision and a little bit of power, but it's quick and easy. You'll see. Let's see if this thing fires up. As you can see, I'm still rocking the old Scania. Was supposed to pick the new one up last week, but minor complications, maybe this Wednesday. So stay tuned. What we're doing here is inside that building is a small cart that can move these types of containers. They're transported inside by that what's it called? Transporting system. Then it can be moved from side to side by this little cart. But once a year it needs an overhaul. Replace some bearings, checking seals, so we need to lift this out and transport it back to Lundasmide workshop. Let's go have a look. Jag kommer aldrig ihåg hur vi gör. Börja så. Perfect. Bra. Så.
No surprise, guess I should have known. Oh, my mind, now my mind is blown. No surprise, guess I should have known. You got control of me, break my barricades. Walls are crumbling grounds, they shake. You came to save, but it's way too late. Every single time you stay, I cave. I should have known. Oh, my mind, now my mind is blown. No surprise, guess I should have known. You got control of me, break my barricades. Walls are crumbling grounds, they shake. You came to save, but it's way too late. Every single time you stay, I cave. You got control of me, break my barricades. Walls are crumbling every single time you say okay. You got control of me, break my barricades. Walls are crumbling
Lovely jubbly. And just like that, job done. Quick and easy. Noisy old Scania. Just like that, job done. And let's call the office and see what we're gonna do next. New truck is supposed to be ready for pickup at Wednesday, but we'll see about that. Until next time.